Namaste dear children, welcome to class 4 social studies subject. In this today's class, I am going to explain the question paper pattern for periodic test 2. My subject social studies is on 14th October, Wednesday. So today is 1st October. 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti. No classes will be engaged for tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, 3rd October, 4th October, and those days for practicing the first subject which is there in 5th October. Okay, you all know, I think, how to attend the periodic test in your mobile. For your group, one link will be sent from the subject teachers, and you need to go to that link and enter your email ID. Email ID is compulsory, and don't make a mistake while typing email IDs. Write your name, type your name and section, A section or B section. Class no need, because we are sending to your class only. And after that you can enter to the question and answers part. There multiple choice questions. This periodic test 2 also has multiple choice questions. One question, 3 options in my subject. And syllabus for periodic test 2 is from 3rd lesson, Northern Plains, to the 6th lesson, the coastal plains and islands of India. 4th lesson is the Great Indian Desert or Thar Desert, and 5th lesson is Southern Plateaus. Read all the question and answers, tick the correct answers, fill in the blanks, true or false, and try to read the whole lesson. Only 4 lessons or chapters for your periodic test 2. Read each and every sentence, try to understand there. And for your periodic test 2, no doubt there are multiple choice questions, but in this periodic test I am going to add India map in the periodic test, and I will ask the states, maybe capitals. In the previous videos I have sent India map along with states and its capitals, and at the last page you have one additional sheet. In that, each and every states and their important cities and more important food, rivers which are flowing through, important places mentioned there. Look into that part also. This is all about periodic test 2. You may have question from the inside of the lessons also. Some questions may be from inside of the lesson, means that is because you need to read the whole lesson. You need to understand the lessons. Until 6th chapter, I even not completed first unit. Actually 8 chapters. If I completed 8th chapter, that is completion of first unit. It is still explaining the physical features of India only. And I think so you will read. See, in the 3rd lesson, Northern Plains, Himalayan rivers, Satluj basin, Ganga river basin, Brahmaputra river basin. Read those. Read each and every lesson. Life in the plains, Punjab state, Haryana state, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh state, Bihar state, Jharkhand state, West Bengal state, Assam state, Tripura state, and their capitals. Fourth lesson, the western desert of India, climate, life in the desert and central plateau. Fifth lesson, southern plateaus, Malwa plateau, Chota Nagpur plateau, Deccan plateau. Life in the southern plateaus, states Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. These states capitals and where these states are located in the Indian map. And the next last chapter is the coastal plains and islands of India. The western coastal plain, life in the western coastal region, Gujarat state, Maharashtra state, Goa state, Daman, Diu, Dadar, Nagar Haveli, Karnataka, Kerala, Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. And these states and their capitals. Look into the rivers part. Which rivers are flowing in which part? For only 4 lessons, so questions may be different questions, but there is no change in the multiple choice questions. Each and every question have 3 options. You need to tick the right option and remember to submit. Okay, unless and until you submit the button, I won't get any responses. You need to get the responses. Your response has been recorded. This message you need to get after submission of your question paper. And every questions are compulsory. There are 40 questions in this periodic test 2. I made 40 questions. All 40 questions are multiple choice questions. You need to attend all the questions. If you leave any one question, your submission won't take place. I hope you understand. Read well, prepare well, and send the photos of the notes which you have written. Many are sending their notes photos to my number. I will give them notebook correction marks and subject enrichment activity. Bhagat Singh book, Bharata Bharati book, you need to read and narrate in your own words and send it to me. What happened? Which incident you inspired? Which incident you know or you want to narrate? You can narrate and send it to me. 3 of your friends have sent the narration of the Bhagat Singh's life. That is for subject enrichment activity. So this is for periodic test 2. I hope I covered all the points. It is now your part to read and prepare well. Children, take care of yourself. Be happy, be safe in your home. Dhanyavad.